Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today, we're diving into the WOLFBOX 4000A jump starter. And honestly, if you've ever been stranded with a dead battery, you need to hear this. This isn't just another power bank sitting in your glove box gathering dust. This is a legitimate emergency powerhouse that packs some serious numbers under the hood. So let's talk about what makes this thing worth your attention. Is this product really worth buying? Let me break down the actual specs that matter. The WOLFBOX 4000A delivers a peak current of 4,000 amps with a 24,000 milliamp hour battery. That's 88.8 watt-hours of pure starting power. What does that actually mean in real-world use? It means this compact device can jumpstart any 12-volt vehicle with up to a 10-liter gas engine or a 10-liter diesel engine. We're talking cars, trucks, boats, SUVs, even larger vehicles with bigger engines. People have successfully used this to start completely dead Corvettes, Toyota FJs, diesel trucks, and more, and it works on a first try according to multiple user reports. The impressive part is the battery technology here. With 24,000 milliamp hours, you're getting enough capacity to potentially jumpstart a vehicle multiple times on a single charge. Real users have reported jumping a vehicle and the battery only dropping to 88%, meaning you could help multiple stranded drivers in one emergency situation. Now, why is this such a popular choice? Because it's not just a jump starter. This thing doubles as a high-speed charging station for all your devices. It features a 65-watt USB-C port with power delivery, which is the same fast charging technology you'd find in premium laptops and phones. There's also a QC 3.0 USB-A port for older devices. The charging speed is genuinely impressive. The unit itself fully recharges in just 1.3 hours when using the included 65-watt fast charger. Compare that to traditional jump starters that can take 4 to 6 hours to recharge, and you start to see why people love this thing. It's also a 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, laptop, or any USB device multiple times over. Let's talk about usability, because what good are impressive specs if you can't actually use the device? The WOLFBOX features an HD LCD display that shows you battery level, voltage, and current status at a glance. No guessing games. You know exactly how much power you have available. The jumper cables have smart clamps with 10 built-in safety protections, including reverse polarity protection. That means if you accidentally hook up the cables wrong, the device won't let you damage your car or the unit itself. It'll throw an error warning instead. This is huge for people who aren't mechanically inclined. There's even a one-touch booster mode specifically designed for severely discharged batteries. When a battery is so dead, it's reading under 9 volts. This mode pushes extra voltage to get your engine turning over. Multiple reviewers mentioned starting vehicles in freezing Alaska temperatures and pouring rain, and it worked flawlessly right out of the box at 70 to 72% charge. Speaking of extreme conditions, this jump starter is rated IP64 for dust and water resistance, and it operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're dealing with brutal winter cold or scorching summer heat, this device keeps working. The emergency features don't stop there. It includes a built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes: constant high beam, SOS signal, and strobe warning light. The flashlight is rated at 400 lumens, which is 3 to 5 times brighter than typical jump starter lights. The light automatically shuts off after 4 hours to prevent battery drain if you forget to turn it off. This makes it perfect not just for roadside emergencies, but also for camping, power outages, or any situation where you need reliable portable power and light. Now let's talk about portability, because you're going to be carrying this thing around. The WOLFBOX 4000A weighs approximately 3.2 pounds and comes with a premium EVA carrying case that holds everything: the jump starter, the smart jumper cables, the 65-watt USB-C wall charger, and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Everything fits snugly with no rattling, and the case is compact enough to fit in your glove box, under your seat, or in your trunk without taking up much space. The build quality is solid and durable. Users consistently mention how well made it feels, with sturdy construction that inspires confidence. The jumper cable clamps have strong spring tension and solid handles that give you a secure grip even in wet conditions. What about reliability and support? WOLFBOX backs this unit with a 24-month warranty, and multiple reviewers specifically praise their customer service as responsive and helpful. The device has also passed rigorous safety certifications including UL, FCC, CE, and CA65, so you know it meets strict safety standards. Let's look at real-world value. This jump starter typically retails between $120 and $140, but it's frequently on sale in the $90 to $100 range on Amazon and other retailers. When you compare that to emergency roadside assistance services that charge $50 to $100 per call, this device pays for itself after just 1 or 2 uses. Plus, you're not waiting 30 minutes to 2 hours for help to arrive. You're back on the road in minutes. The versatility factor is off the charts. Need to charge your laptop while tailgating? Done. Phone died during a camping trip? No problem. Car won't start in a parking lot. You're covered. Power outage, and you need to charge essential devices? This thing has you covered for days. It's genuinely a 4-in-1 device. Jump starter, power bank, fast charger, and emergency light. People who bought this specifically mention they keep one in their vehicle, and some even bought a second unit to keep in their garage or give as gifts to family members. That speaks volumes about real-world satisfaction. The peace of mind alone is worth it. You're never helpless with a dead battery again, and that's a genuinely empowering feeling, especially if you live in remote areas, have long commutes, or drive older vehicles that are more prone to battery issues. So bottom line, is the WOLFBOX 4000A jump starter worth buying? If you drive any vehicle, the answer is absolutely yes. The combination of 4,000 peak amps, 88.8 watt-hours of battery capacity, ultra-fast 65-watt charging, multiple safety protections, extreme temperature operation, and genuine multifunctionality makes this one of the smartest automotive investments you can make. It's powerful enough to handle large diesel engines, compact enough to store anywhere, and versatile enough to replace multiple devices. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.